on a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. I really do hope that you stay and enjoy more of my videos by joining the family and clicking the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much guys for liking. Thank you for engaging in the comments. Thank you for liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. So guys, in today's video I will be cleaning the guest bedroom, which is the last room in the house that I had set to clean for this week. Really happy that I am done. Now all that's left is the kitchen and the bathroom, which I will do next week. But for now, I am done for the week and now I get to focus on other things besides cleaning. So if you have your space to clean as well, if you need to clean any space in your house and you need the motivation to clean today, I really do hope that this video gives you the motivation to get up and clean your space. Thank you so much for joining me again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and to comment.
I will see you here.
Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. come over? I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this.
Today is the beginning of the last week of Jan, and to be quite honest, for me, January really flew. Like it went by really fast, and it wasn't a bad month at all, I must say. Over the years, I have learned to budget well. I have learned to budget well and not go overboard during the festive season. So January for me was just okay. It was like any other month, and I really do hope that it was a great month for you as well. First month of the year, the beginning of new things, new year resolutions. You know, people have goals to start the gym, start reading, maybe going back to school. So I really do hope that you had a great kickstart to a new beginning for the brand new year.
I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
In South Africa, we are right in the middle of summer, and January has been so hot for me. Like, it was so hot on some of the days, and on the days where it was like gloomy weather or raining, I really loved it. I love gloomy days, love rainy days, and I know a lot of people associate gloomy days with being down, with being sad, but for me, I really love them because it's nice and cool, but it's not really cool to a point where you need a jersey or anything like that. But it's really a relief from all the heat that we've been getting. Like, yo, guys, I don't know about other parts of South Africa, but in Johannesburg East, I'm in the East, so yeah, it's been really, really hot. So I really appreciated the rain.
That finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
Actually, as I'm editing or as I'm adding this voice note, I'm realizing that I didn't wipe down the wardrobes in the main bedroom, and I think I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. I don't know why, but I always forget even to dust. Like angazi ngidasta makwenze njani. But in any case, my wardrobe doors are never like that dirty or have a lot of dust on them. But yeah, I have to jot down or write down a note so that I remember to dust them tomorrow. Hey guys, I am done cleaning this room. The only thing that's left is to hang these curtains over here, which I washed yesterday, or was it the day before, and they are dry, but now ashraben, which means I need to iron them. And my husband is currently not home. He's only going to be home a little later on today, and I won't be able to iron them so I'm gonna iron them tomorrow. But yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm so happy I have accomplished everything that I wanted to do this week in terms of cleaning the house, except for the bathroom. That's the only room that's left. But okay, which I'll do on Monday because today's Friday. Yeah, I'll do that on Monday or whenever. But the rest of the house that I wanted to clean this week, I am done, and I'm so happy because now it means I can focus on other things that I have to do. And for the next, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, I'll just be cleaning, dusting, sweeping, mopping. Right now, I want to quickly go to the mall. There are a few things that I want to get, like toiletries and what else, I'll see. But I need toiletries basically, so I'm quickly gonna head out to the mall, and then yeah, we're done for the day.